In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create fade in and fade out effect in Adobe After Effects. First, I'm going to drag the video on the timeline. Here you can see the entire video. Select the specific part where you apply the effect. I'll select the specific part on the video. Click the hair, go to transform and turn on stopwatch icon of the opacity option. Move few frames forward and decrease the opacity value to 0%. If I play the video, you will see the effect. If you want, you will apply the fade in effect. Add a keyframe here and move few frames forward and increase the opacity value to 100%. If I play the video, you will see the entire effect. Thanks for watching the video.